Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science code step by step. Start with a strong foundation in programming. Python is a popular choice for data science due to its extensive libraries and community support. Alternatively, R is excellent for statistical analysis. Once you've chosen your language, set up your environment, perhaps using an integrated development environment like VS Code or Jupyter Notebooks. Begin by mastering fundamental concepts such as variables, loops, and functions. Consistent practice builds a solid base. Next, dive into the essential libraries that power data science. Pandas is crucial for data manipulation and analysis, offering powerful data structures like data frames. NumPy provides efficient numerical operations, especially with arrays. For data visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn are indispensable, allowing you to create insightful plots and charts. Finally, scikit-learn is your go-to for machine learning algorithms, covering everything from regression to classification. These tools form the backbone of most data science projects. Theory is important, but practical application is key. Start by working on small, focused projects that allow you to apply the concepts you've learned. Seek out real-world datasets from platforms like Kaggle or UCI Machine Learning Repository. Engaging in online coding challenges can also sharpen your problem-solving skills. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 diverse projects to showcase your abilities. Building a robust portfolio is essential for demonstrating your practical data science expertise. Data science is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning is vital. Stay updated with the latest tools, techniques, and research by reading industry blogs and academic papers. Join online forums, attend webinars, and connect with other data scientists to share knowledge and insights. There are many communities, like Stack Overflow or Reddit's r/datascience, where you can learn and contribute. Consider specializing in areas like deep learning or natural language processing to further enhance your expertise.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.